Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how I made this custom tool organizer for my nut drivers, for my automotive picks, bent screwdrivers, feeler gauges, a couple of spark plug sockets, and I can't remember what the name of this guy is, but that's for taking off your water pump in your Honda. And anyway, so it's just a nice, neat presentation. It cleans up your tools, it prevents them from rolling around. I've got enough space to keep them like this. You can condense them more with different methods, but this is what I'm going to right now. I'm going to a lot of Kaizen foam. So anyway, stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. Alright, so we've got some nut drivers, some automotive picks. We have feeler gauges. We've got some spark plug sockets. This guy, I can't remember the proper name for it, but it's to take off your water pump. And then we've got these crazy bent screwdrivers that I rarely use, but every once in a while they come in handy. So let's trace these guys out and we will cut them out. Alright, so I've set my blade depth basically just a little bit deeper than the first layer of the foam, and that is so I can get the shafts of the nut drivers like partially into the foam, so I can get the bodies of the automotive picks just inset into the foam a bit. They don't have to be very deep, and the same with like these screwdrivers and the feeler gauges, right? They don't have to be very deep, but the handles, I'll make the handles deeper and I'll make the specialty tools deeper, right? So fit them in. So just drag it down, and then when you get to the bottom here you need to do some like saw cuts because it's a little more difficult. To go around the corners. When you're in the straightaway, you just drag through like that. Trim router. I'm going to use my trim router with a Kaizen foam spinner, slightly modified Kaizen foam spinner. I'm going to use my trim router, and I'm going to do a couple of pieces where I can, and then the rest I'll have to do with a chisel, by fingers, by hand I should say. Alright, and then we're just going to pick the foam out. Foam that was cut. Oh, also these parts here, we can pull the foam out of this right now. I'll try to anyway. Alright, so I want to adjust this bit same height as the knife. So, well, let's try that and see how that works. Alright. So that was metric ones. Oh, that looks so good. That's perfect. Not quite as wide at the bottom, but oh well. This looks like a winner. Alright, so you can see how much dust is left behind. So what we're going to do is we're going to dust that with the air line from our air compressor. And clean all that out. Alright, so let's fit this in. So it should be a tight fit, but not super tight. And if it's a little loose, it's not a big deal. Still hold your screwdrivers and whatnot. Alright, so hopefully I've motivated you guys to get out in the shop and build something cool. I really like all this organization stuff. I think it looks really good like this, so I'm building a lot of that. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified of the new videos that come out if you like. And anyway, thanks for watching.